Here's the trees that we're gonna be edging today. They're already edged. We're kind of in the middle of the process pretty much. So we got one tree right here, two right here. But this one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we got 10 trees that we're doing the edging. So today's video is gonna be just doing some edging around the trees and prepping them for mulch. We're currently setting our edge, getting the edge in place, and a couple background things that we would like for everyone to be keeping in mind as you're watching is that this is the first time in a while that our customer has requested to do edging on their tree bed, and we obviously would love to do frequent services for maintenance in terms of doing the tree beds. However, it's always the customer's decision at the end of the day. So this is our first time doing edging for these beds in about 3 years. So with that in mind, a couple things I want to point out is that there's going to be quite a bit of tree roots that are set in place due to the lack of consistent edging. The dirt is going to be pretty hard and rough, so that's going to make the work a bit harder as well. And it's pretty dry, so it's not the ideal conditions to do edging, but we're going to do our best to get that edging in place regardless. What we're hoping that kind of shows through in the camera and in this video is that when we're doing our edging, we really want to have a nice curvature. Kind of, I don't know if the camera angle will show through in the video, but kind of have that curvature like this, kind of so that it looks nicer and more presentable for the mulch to rest and lay. We're using a real simple technique for our edging today. So basically we're just following the guideline of the edging, taking out that bulk, really creating that nice smooth pocket, the smooth wall, getting nice depth in there so we can prep it for mulch. Ideally we want to make it deep enough for about 2 inches of mulch to comfortably sit in that pocket and to easily distribute throughout the bed. So what you're going to see, it's a really simple motion. Just kind of swipe it down, swipe it in. Swipe in and pull up the dirt. So you're gonna see right here, swipe, pull, swipe and pull, swipe and push, swipe and push, you know, push, pull, pull and push, pull and push. So we're pulling our tool along the guide of the edge, the outline of the bed, and we're really just pushing that dirt up, pushing it up, redistributing it. Do a little walkthrough now that we finished up a lot of this edging. We did a lot more than we actually expected. So here we go. Look at this, guys. We're walking through a front yard of edging right here. We did quite a few of these beds. A lot of tree edging right here. Right here, right here. There we go. Check out the edging. Looking good, looking nice. Edging, edging right here, edging. We got quite a bit of edging done today, so we're really hoping you enjoyed the video. We did our best to really kind of show through these recordings. You know, it's kind of hard. We're working every day little by little to make sure that we do our best to present this in the most digestible way, I guess. But yeah, we really hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care.